సరే ఇక్కడ కూర్చుంటా మీరు ఇక్కడ కూర్చుంటా అంటే నేను
Experience, awards.
No, my question was what are included in a resume? What are the things that must be there in a resume?
Academic
Address, email ID,
work experience, interests, personal qualities.
Yeah.
Personal quality.
And
Personal qualities.
and what is a resume? What is a resume?
a document that lists our work, experience, education, skills, and achievements.
For what? What is the purpose?
For applying for a job.
Yeah, that also you have to mention. A biodata are the details of experience, name, address, references, etc. prepared to submit to apply for a job. That is a resume. And what are the things included in a resume? Come on, quick, tell me again, once again.
Academic qualifications, skills,
Yes.
work experience,
Yes.
personal qualities,
Education, experience,
personal
work,
Experience,
awards,
personal qualities, awards, and skills.
Yeah, right. Right, good. What is given in references? See, all these questions will come in one mark questions. What is given in references?
Names of
address,
Names,
The
addresses.
person who knows us well,
Yes.
his name means two
character,
persons we have
ability,
to write, his phone number we have to write,
Okay. Right, right. Very good.
and that person should be good about saying about us to the other person.
What will be there in objectives? Objective. What should be right in objective? What should be right in objective?
description of career goals.
Objective.
To take up a challenging position to meet goals and immediate.
Let us.
బట్టలు పిండి కప్పాలంటే మాడకాయ ముక్క కోసిచ్చరే వేస్తుంది ముక్కని బట్టలు పిండి వేస్తుంది.
To take up a challenging position to any requirement with commitment and devotion.
Yeah, can you see the resume? You please go to the resume once again.
Mute yourself.
Is the resume visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please read the order once again. Personal details. Object. What is given in objective? Tell me. Now tell me what is given in objective. Read that sentence and tell me. Answer the question. What is given in objective in a resume?
To take up challenging position to meet any requirement with commitment and devotion, sir.
Okay. Objective should be in such a way that the employer, the one who gives us employment, who gives us job, must feel that we are fit for the job. It should show our enthusiasm and commitment and devotion. Okay. In objective, we must write that we are committed, we have devotion, We can do anything for the job. That means we can take up challenging problems also. We can solve all these things. That is, in one sentence, to take up a challenging position to meet any requirement with commitment and devotion. Watch the video once again afterwards. Okay, that is what is given in objective means that. What is given in skills? What is given in skills? What do we write?
How much we have studied and what we know the things.
No. Are skills and educational qualifications one and the same?
No, sir. This is extra knowledge. Skills are
Yeah,
extra
this
knowledge.
is extra knowledge. What are the other skills apart from educational qualifications that we are proficient with? I am proficient with so and so. I can do this. I can solve this, that. I can work in the field. The work management system. I have communication skills. Communication skills is a very good skill. Okay, you can communicate. I have leadership skills. You can write leadership skills, communication skills, team management skills. All these skills. MS Office, AutoCAD, and awards received, interest and activities, work experience, and references. In references, we give 2 names and addresses along with phone numbers of people who know us and who can speak positively about us. Okay, in references, we give the names and addresses of 2 people who can talk positively about us. Don't give the names of your enemies. Don't give the names of those who dislike you. Okay, they have to speak good about you. Only then they will give you the job. If the references speak bad things about you, what will they think, the employers? They think that we should not give this job to this person. Okay, these are small questions. And then now the parts and the order of them was given. And see, what can you read on the slide?
Resume is a nutshell.
Resume in nutshell.
Resume in a nutshell. Resume in a nutshell. Okay, this is a an acronym or an abbreviation I have prepared. You cannot find this in anywhere. You cannot find this anywhere. This is what I have prepared. See, I will show you. Now, this is resume in a nutshell. Please read it. Can you read?
Rajesh K.
Yes,
Tuda
sir.
7.
Yeah. Tell me, what are the things included in it? Tell me.
Objective, education,
Personal
details, objectives, education, skills and language, known, experience and training, words, references.
See, this is one of the best acronyms I have invented. Resume in a nutshell. After that, what do you read? NOBESEAIR. Can you read it?
Nobeseair.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Nobeseair.
I will explain. If you remember this word, NOBESEAIR, if you remember this word, you can easily attempt a question on a resume. You can do excellently. Let me explain. N for name, name of the person, and address. Name means name and address, phone number, everything, email ID. OB, O is capital and B is small. B is the only letter which is small in the acronym, right?
Yes, sir.
B. OB means OB stands for one word. What is that?
Objectives.
E stands for
Education.
Education.
yes,
Sir.
yes,
Skills.
Languages,
right.
sir.
E,
Experience and training.
Experience and training, sir.
Awards.
Awards, sir.
I,
Interest and extracurricular activities.
or
Activities.
Differences.
right, reference.
Differences.
Now, let me explain you how you can remember this order. No. OBs ante telusa meeku? OBESE. Please check if you have a dictionary. Check the meaning of OBs. OBESE.
Fat, over fat.
Fat, right. Right. Obese means fat. Okay. No obese. No obese. That is the meaning. Fat kavoddu. Fat అయితే ఏమవుతుంది? AIR. ఎయిర్ తక్కువ అవుతుంది మనకి. గాలి పీల్చుకోగలుగుతామా ఫ్యాట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు? లావుగా ఉన్నవాళ్ళు గాలి పీల్చుకోవడం చాలా టఫ్ అవుతుంది. వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్. ఎంత సన్నగా ఉంటే అంత ఎయిర్ సర్క్యులేషన్ బాగా ఉంటుంది మన బాడీలోకి. ఇఫ్ వీఆర్ వెరీ ఫ్యాట్ యూ కాంట్ ఈవెన్ బ్రీత్. చూడండి, ఆయాస పడుతుంటారు లావు ఉన్నవాళ్ళు. చూడండి, లావు ఉన్నవాళ్ళు ఒక 2 అంతస్తులు ఎక్కమనండి. డిడ్ యూ ఎవర్ సీ ఫ్యాట్ పీపుల్ క్లైంబింగ్ ద స్టేర్స్?
Yes, sir.
గాలి ఎట్లా ఆయాస పడతారా లేదా? సన్నగా ఉన్నవాడు టకటక ఎక్కుతాడు. But a fat person cannot climb the stairs easily. He gasps out of breath. Air will not reach his lungs. Okay? No obese. Obese కావద్దు. Obese అయినట్టయితే no air. Air ఉండదు. Air మనం పీల్చుకోలేము, చచ్చిపోతాము అని ఈ అర్థం వచ్చేటట్టు ఒకటి తయారు చేసిన నేను. No obese air. Please read it and try to remember what I have explained.
Nobody's air.
Nobody's air. Nobody's air. Obese ఉంటుంది, దాని ముందు నో ఉంటుంది. అంటే నోలో ఓ ఒకటే ఉంటుంది. Obese కి నోకి ఒకటే ఓ ఉంటుంది. Nobody's air. This is what you have to remember. Is it easy to remember or difficult?
Easy, sir.
Easy. So if you remember this acronym అంటే ఏంటి? Do you know what an acronym is? What is an abbreviation?
Short form.
Abbreviation తెలుసు కదా?
Yes, sir.
Give an example for abbreviation. Give an example for abbreviation.
Please.
Abbreviation కి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇవ్వండి. ఏం చేస్తుండ్రు? నిద్రపోతుండ్రా? Give an example for abbreviation. Abbreviation అంటే తెలియదు. Abbreviation అంటే షార్ట్ ఫామ్.
Short forms.
Abbreviation DEEE, DECE అవి అబ్రివేషన్లు కావా? What is DEE?
Yes, sir, abbreviation.
What is DEEE?
Diploma in Electrical Electronics.
And తర్వాత Diploma in Electrical and Electronics.
Diploma in Electrical and Electronics
Engineering.
Right.
Department of
letter. Right. DECE.
Diploma in
Diploma in Electrical Electronics.
Electrical and Communication Engineering.
Right. Okay. And in abbreviation, each letter stands for a word. Usually, each letter stands for a word. DEEE. D stands for a word. E stands for a word. E stands for a word, and last E stands for another word. Okay. MBBS. You know, let us not get confused. Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery. MBBS. So దాని గురించి మనం కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అది. తర్వాత BA. Bachelor of Arts. BSc. BSc. Bachelor of Science, BSc. Okay, kani an abbreviation which can be pronounced as a word is called an acronym. An abbreviation which can be pronounced as a word, oka word laga palakagalugite danni acronym antaru. Word laga palakagalugite. Polyset undi. What is polyset? Polytechnic entrance to polyset antam kada, avuna kada?
Yes, sir.
Is it an abbreviation or an acronym? If we say POLYCET, that is an abbreviation. If we pronounce it as a word, it is an acronym. Polyset antunnam gaani POLYCET anatlem manam chudandi. We are not pronouncing it POLYCET. Polyset అని ఒక వర్డ్ లాగా పలుకుతున్నాం కనుక దాన్ని acronym అంటాం.
Acronym, sir.
Acronym. So Novice Air is an acronym for a resume. Have you taken screenshot? Have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is resume in a nutshell. Now, read the tips.
Limit your resume.
Limit your resume to 1 or 2 pages.
To 1 or 2 pages.
Present information neatly. Use simple language. Be honest. Keep your prospective employer points of view in mind while writing your resume. Organize your ideas before writing the first draft. Revise your draft. Eliminate any mistake in spelling, grammar, and punctuation, and also to polish your writing.
And also polish your writing.
Yeah, resume should be in 1 or 2 pages. It should not be more than that. It should not be lengthy, and it should be very neat, neatly typed, neatly printed, and simple language has to be used. Don't use tough language, big words, and be honest. Hobbies atlantivi avanu vachinayi anukondi, extra curricular activities లేదా skills, awards avanni raani vachinattu leni unnattu raayakandi. Be honest. Okay, honesty is the first thing any employer requires from the employee. Keep your prospective employer's point of view. వాళ్ళు ఏమి ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు? ఒక నోటిఫికేషన్ వచ్చింది మనకి, ఇప్పుడు డీప్ అనే అప్లికేషన్ ఉంది కదా మనకి, అందరూ పంపిన కదా లాగ్ బ్యాక్ 1 month బ్యాక్, డీప్ DEEP.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
డీప్ లో ఉన్నది. ఎంప్లాయర్ ఉద్యోగాలు ప్రకటిస్తారు, దానికి వాళ్ళకి ఏం కావాలి, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ దే నీడ్, that we have to keep in mind and prepare a resume. Okay, for every job you have to prepare a separate resume. Okay, general resume పెట్టుకోండి, whenever you are applying for a job you have to change slightly. You have to change the resume slightly depending upon the job you are applying for. Organize your ideas before writing the first draft. మంచిగా ఆర్గనైజ్ చేసుకోండి. రివైజ్ యువర్ డ్రాఫ్ట్. మిస్టేక్స్ లేకుండా 2-3 సార్లు చూసుకోవాలి. స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్స్ ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, ఇమీడియట్లీ ఆ రెజ్యూమే చూసే దే విల్ రిజెక్ట్ యూ. ఓకే, స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్స్ నీట్గా ఉండకుండా ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు ఉంటే దే విల్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ గివ్ యూ ఎనీ జాబ్. నౌ last one, write a resume to apply for the post of junior trainee engineers in a company in Hyderabad. Write this question and answer this. I will give you time. I will give you 5 minutes time. You have to write your resume. Write a resume. Write this question, last one on the slide. Write a resume to apply for the post of junior trainee engineer in a company in Hyderabad. Have you written the question?
Yes, sir.
I have given you Novice Air That is resume in a nutshell. I have given you a model resume, and I have given you a very beautiful resume. These were the three things I already gave. I gave you the tips also. Now you have to prepare this question. If this question comes in your exam, how do you write? Now your time starts now. What is E?
Education.
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 So you also can write on this. Education, educational qualifications. Then, yes?
Skills and training.
Skills and training.
Skills, right. E is experience, right? Right, you can write.
Experience and extracurricular activities.
Languages, no.
Okay, right, experience.
A, awards.
Awards.
Yeah, A, awards, you can write.
I, interests.
R, references.
Now, where is it? Where has it gone? It has gone somewhere. Where is it? Can you see that still?
Yes, sir.
How to go down on the board? Okay, have you completed? Have you completed your resume?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Can somebody please read? What have you written? On top, what have you written? Or you can show to the camera. Yeah.
Personal.
Anusha, make it straight, vertical. Yeah. Okay, right, I can see it. Tanmay, I think it is Tanmai's.
Yes, sir.
Manga. All right, good. Next. Yeah, all the others are not showing. Padmavati. Padmavati is there. Padmavati is not there. Swati, you have not shown your resume. Both the Swatis are there, EC and electrical. Can you hear me? Is there a break or can you
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but
Yes.
nobody is responding. You have not completed yet. So now, can you attempt a question? Of course, one more time you have to read after going home. You have to read it again and you have to watch the YouTube link. I'm going to send it after half an hour. I will send it. And you must be able to write your own resume for any job. Okay, you must be able to answer short questions. What is a resume? What are included in a resume? Is resume necessary? And what is included in reference